Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how I do spring twist on some short hair, and the hair color we use today is popping. Like, it's this popping ombre red color. Of course, the hair is from Amazon. Now with regards to our hair being short, okay, I really would have started braiding her hair from the nape. I mean, I've had her in more than a couple of videos on this channel. Like, she always wears her hair short. Like, her hair grows out quick, and once the hair is grown out, she like throws some more color in and boom, she cuts it off again. I'm like, why? On a good day I would have started braiding her hair from the nape, but since I had my baby, I've had it really bad with some tendinitis, and I really cannot do so much with regards to short hair. So in starting this video today, I had to start like about 2-3 rows above the nape of our head, but altogether our hair is still short. So please enjoy the video as it's were today. Now, usually with spring twist hair, depending on the size of twist I'm going for, I usually split the hair in 2 or 3 or 4. But for the size I want to do today, the pieces of hair came really chunky, so I have to split each of them in 3. Now the spring twist hair is being split in 3, as you can see. Then right after that, to start braiding our hair, of course I'm going to start our twist with a braid. I'm going to be using some textured hair, pretty much because spring twist hair is very silky. I mean, it's soft and silky, and our hair is pretty short, and if I just braided our hair like that with the spring twist hair, it's most likely going to just slip out. So to give it a firmer hold, I'll be adding some more textured hair to the spring twist hair just for the base. And the textured hair I'm using today is Nubian twist hair, which I cut short, so it's just gonna be about an inch or 2 tops, just to braid it down and like to make that part stay strong and not slip out.